It's comfort food season. Let's make some bacon cheddar potato soup. These are all the ingredients you'll need. Salt your water. In 2 cups of water, add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Dice you some tomatoes. This is the side. Spread you 1 block of sharp cheddar cheese. Dice you a scallion, 1 red onion, a half a pack of bacon. To a pot, add your bacon. Cook till it's done. Then remove. Then you're going to add in your diced garlic, onion, and scallion, and 3/4 of butter and 1 scoop of cream cheese. Then you're going to let this cook down, and then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour until it's all the way cooked down looking like this. Then you're going to add 1 cup of cream of chicken, and then that chicken bouillon and my all-purpose seasoning, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Then you're going to add your potatoes, and then you're going to stir this some more. Then you're going to cover it, but in between the covering, make sure you just keep stirring it, and then you stick a fork in it. That's how you know it's done. Add you the cheddar cheese, add some more bacon, get it to stir until it's creamy looking like this. Y'all, this potato soup was so good. This is a good comfort food. It's cold outside that you can make. Yes, let's get into that. I had to add me some sour cream. Make sure you shop by all-purpose season. Let me know how y'all like my bacon cheddar potato soup. Thank you.